With property prices so high, does it make sense to buy or rent until a better opportunity presents itself? It's like trying to find your way through a maze without a map. There are numerous advantages and disadvantages, and everyone seems to have an opinion. So, does it make sense to take the plunge into owning, or should we continue to rent? Let's break it down so you can decide whether it's worth buying now or waiting. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. First and foremost, how long do you intend to stay in one location? The longer you intend to stay in one place, the more compelling the case for purchasing a home rather than renting becomes, because the long-term rising tendency of the real estate market is on your side. The decision to buy a home comes with upfront fees that will take some time to recover from. As a result, if you intend to stay in a specific place for a short amount of time, renting may be the better option. Renting in such circumstances allows you to avoid the financial commitment that comes with acquiring a home, which can be especially beneficial if your plans include numerous relocations or short-term stays. When you plan on settling down for an extended period of time, the equation shifts in favor of buying. While the expenditures of purchasing a home may appear onerous at first, these costs can be offset over time as you continue to live in the property. A percentage of each mortgage payment goes toward equity, transforming your property into a physical investment that can offer rewards in the form of financial stability, something a renter will never have. However, when it comes time to sell your home, you should be prepared to pay additional fees such as broker commissions and other transaction-related fees. Realtor commissions alone can devour up to 6% of the sale price, reducing your financial advantages. The temptation of personalization and developing the ideal living space is appealing when acquiring a property. Yet, the expenses of essential or desired upgrades might influence the entire financial commitment. Most people seeking to buy a property have plans to make renovations to shape the home to their personality and lifestyle. However, the cost of these initiatives might be rather surprising. A kitchen redesign may appear simple, but most purchasers grossly underestimate the cost. Consider that the average cost of a kitchen renovation is over $80,000, according to HGTV. Prospective purchasers must carefully assess the property's condition, taking into account issues such as the age of the appliances, the condition of the roof, and the need for cosmetic upgrades. These prospective expenses, ranging from modest repairs to substantial upgrades, might impact the affordability of homeownership and should be considered. When deciding whether to buy or rent a home, it is vital to consider the upkeep costs. Homeownership instills pleasure in the opportunity to personalize your surroundings, but it also implies responsibilities. Property maintenance, ranging from basic repairs to substantial upgrades, becomes the homeowner's responsibility. While this allows for greater creative control, it can also result in time-consuming tasks and higher costs. Renters, on the other hand, appreciate the convenience of having landlords or property management companies handle maintenance and repairs, reducing the immediate financial load and freeing up time for other activities. When determining whether to buy or rent, you must consider your willingness and capacity to manage these maintenance responsibilities. When comparing monthly owning costs to rent, many financial factors must be considered. Monthly costs of homeownership include mortgage payments, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maybe HOA fees. Homeowners must be prepared for unforeseen maintenance and repair costs that may arise at any time. Renting typically includes monthly rent payments and renter's insurance, with the landlord responsible for maintenance and repairs. Let's hope they're quick to respond to these repairs. While homeownership allows you to create equity over time, it also comes with larger upfront fees and continuous financial obligations. While renting may provide greater immediate affordability and flexibility, it does not contribute to homeownership or investment. Whether to buy a house is heavily influenced by the housing market status. So put your crystal ball away. It's enticing when things are thriving and property values are rising, since your investment could expand over time. At the same time, prices may be high, making it more difficult to get a decent offer. No one wants to buy at all-time high prices because they are afraid of overpaying and not being able to recoup their investment when they decide to sell. Prices, like those in the stock market, frequently reach all-time highs, implying that new investors will nearly always be purchasing at the top. In a down market, when prices are lower, you may find more reasonable options and have more choices when selecting the perfect house. When the market begins to fall, there is always the fear that it will continue to plummet, much like catching a falling knife. Consider a buyer's market where prices are declining month after month. Buyers lose faith. Banks tighten loan conditions, and only the most daring and cash-rich investors end up buying anything. Basically, the housing market roller coaster might affect your potential gains or losses. Therefore, it's all about striking a balance between market trends and your own position before making the leap into homeownership. Purchasing a home can be a fantastic investment that provides you with a lot more bang for your buck, all thanks to a little thing known as leverage, sometimes known as a mortgage. By paying a small sum of money upfront, you can enter the property market without having to pay the entire amount. Consider spending $10,000 or $50,000 on a $500,000 property. If the value of your home rises by 5%, you'll have received a 50% return on your initial investment. It's like a financial magic trick that can outperform the stock market's average returns. But keep in mind that this leverage game can work both ways. While it can boost your gains when property values rise, it can also magnify your losses when things go awry. Even a minor decrease in property values can quickly deplete your equity, leaving you with a home worth less than what you owe on it. Leveraging is a financial roller coaster. When it works in your favor, it's fantastic and can set you up for some fantastic gains. However, if things go wrong, you may find yourself in a pickle. When compared to renters, homeowners benefit from more predictable housing costs. Despite buying a home usually requiring higher upfront costs, such as down payments and closing fees, homeowners typically have the benefit of fixed-rate mortgages. Monthly payment predictability offers a sense of security, protecting homeowners from variations in rental prices that renters may confront over time. Renters, on the other hand, may experience rent increases due to market trends, landlord decisions, or inflation, potentially leading to increasing financial strain. Despite homeowners' insurance, upkeep, and other related costs tending to rise with time, the costs remain constant when compared to rent. Homeowners can take solace in the fact that their home costs are largely steady, allowing for greater long-term financial planning and budget predictability. The real estate market is volatile, with variations affecting property prices, inventory levels, and mortgage interest rates. By acquiring or even renting a property, you expose yourself to market fluctuations. While considering the future of the real estate market is crucial, the considerations listed, such as the cost of renting versus buying, how long you plan on staying in one place, and your desire to take on upkeep, require more attention. Considering these ideas can help you make a more educated decision about whether or not to buy a home. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?